Welcome to our ensuite. As you can see, it's a beautiful space. We've got these large format tiles, plenty of natural light and storage, but like a lot of women and some men maybe, what I don't have is somewhere handy to store all my necklaces, and they all end up in a tangled mess in the drawer. So what I'm going to do is mount something to the tiles without screwing into them. I'm going to use Selleys Hold Up, which sticks almost anything without the need for screws or clamps. I've had a friend of mine make these beautiful ceramic shells, and as you can see, she's made with a nice flat base for us to mount to the tile. So the first step is to mark out with a pencil exactly where you'd like to mount the shell. Make sure the surfaces are clean and dust-free, so give them a quick wipe. Now with the hold up, pull off the cap, unscrew the nozzle and pierce the membrane with the tip of the nozzle. Replace the nozzle and cut along the second ridge. Cover only one surface with the hold up in vertical strips, so I'm going to do the back of the shell. After applying the adhesive, stick both surfaces firmly together, making sure that the adhesive spreads. Hold up is perfect for things like toilet roll holders, hand towel holders or towel rails. You just need to make sure you have a nice flush surface to mount to. Now this is going to remain adjustable for about 15 minutes, so I can tweak and make sure it's perfectly straight, and then that will fully cure in 48 hours.